Hello students, today I Priya Rohira welcome you all once again in my today's lecture that is based on the topic hyperlinking in MS Excel. What do you mean by hyperlinking? Hyperlinking means when you want to link this file to another file or to another sheets. How can we do this? So we can do this with the help of hyperlinking. To make the hyperlinking, you need to write text. Suppose I have written here, click here. After then you need to go insert tab. In the links group, you will click on hyperlink option. The hyperlink dialog box will get appear. Now you will click on the very first option, existing file or web page, and from here you need to specify the file location कि आपको कौन सी फाइल से इसे कनेक्ट करना है. So suppose I want to connect my file as in D drive in class 10th folder and this PDF file. So I will check that the file is linked or not. So I will click here. So you can see that my linked file has been opened. So by this way you can link any Excel file, any Word file. अभी मैं इसको यहाँ से close कर देती हूँ. Now suppose if you want to connect any web page, suppose I have written I want to connect, click here to go Google. So again I'll go to insert tab, in the links group, hyperlink option. Now here you will type the address of your web page that you want to open. So suppose I have written here www.google.com. You can paste the web page URL also. Click OK. When you will go to, now my internet is not connected, so I cannot go. Otherwise, when you will click on it, you can switch to your Google home page. Another thing, suppose I want to connect the sheet 1 with the sheet 3. So write any text, click here to go sheet 3. Now this time I am pressing Ctrl K as shortcut key. So my again hyperlink dialog box will get open. Now place in this document. Now this time you need to click in this document. अगर आपको उसी वर्कबुक की किसी अदर शीट से आपको कनेक्ट होना है, क्लिक हियर. इट विल आस्क यू कौन सी शीट से कनेक्ट होना है. सपोज मुझे शीट 3 से कनेक्ट होना है. टाइप द सेल रेफरेंस. आपका सेल रेफरेंस क्या है? सेल रेफरेंस इज A5. यहाँ पे आप डाल देंगे A5 and do OK. So when you will click here, you can see that my sheet 3 tab has been opened now. So I have done 3 kinds of hyperlinking. I have linked this file to any another file. Then I have linked this to any web page URL. Then I have linked another sheet but in the same workbook. So I think students, the hyperlink concept is quite clear to you. Thank you students. If you have any doubts, any confusion, you can ask your doubts in comment section.